Tan, that's set for Alyssa, hits the net, unable to get it over 4 touches by the Lady Eagles. Referee Del Rosario, the lead by Acuna. Rugged action. Valdez, short.
PIP probably didn't expect na sa umpisa ng laro, ano? Kaya nilang
Maraginot. Alyssa Valdez. It is outside and TIP has the lead.
Underdogs, Norm.
I think this is a change in the guest player also, no? Kasi I think ang guest player nila officially si Sato. Has been, as you mentioned, no, is injured, ano, si Sato. Sabi ni Miyake. In the meantime, Espinosa. Giselle goes to Alyssa. Sinuntok. Oy, net touch dapat yun, ha? I would call a net touch. Yes. Against the IP.
Right.
No.
No, against Ateneo.
Against Ateneo. Tumama si Alyssa.
Right. On cue ang iyong comment doon.
May improve ni Alyssa through the years. Especially over the last year in the service niya, no?
Consistent.
Although long yan. Siyempre, inasar ko. Diba?
Ganun talaga pag binabate. But more consistent. Yeah.
Ano? Team captain Giselle kneeling down. Valdez is blocked and it does not cross over. 4 touches by Ateneo.
So far so good for TIP.
Getting to it. Kim getting to it again. Tan reverses. Alyssa blocked.
Tan, eto na si Alyssa, into the net nga lang. So 1-all ang ating score sa pagsisimula nitong ating set at palitan kagad. Ilang taon na tayo nakakarinig na hiyawan tuwing magsaserve itong Batanggenyong to.
Kaya di mo na kailangan introduce, alam mo na agad kung sino yung nasa service line eh.
Ayan tuloy. That was into the net, a rare service error here for Alyssa Valdez. Gusto ni Molde, kanya set, pero binuo pa ni Ateneo. Great defense. Great block there from Carlos against Valdez. Alyssa!
Straight into the net.
Sabay tili si Alyssa.
When I realized that because it was a good save, Tan was able to save it perfect.
Sino na magsaserve?
Hindi natin kailangan introduce. Kahit na siguro nawala yung sa TV, yung na-blur yung screen. Basta may sound, alam mo na.
That's rare. Alyssa Valdez with 2 service errors already today. So 7-4. Soft shot. Valdez. Softer shot. Tapos. 13-10. UP. Daming errors ng Ateneo bigla. Tan. Valdez into the net.
Valdez not having a very good day today.
Right. Puro marami siyang 2 service faults already. Plus that attack error. He's back to serve. Day off the block. De Jesus is there. Tan. Inangat. Tinawid ni Alyssa. Tapos na combination. Tan. Kabila. Alyssa. This is
too sharp for Valdez.
This is our cameraman also by just a few inches. Tan. Nanggugulat na naman. Carlos.
Oh, net violation error against Valdez.
Yep. So right now, Dorog, De Jesus, Tan, sends it back to Alyssa. At sabi ni Alyssa, dapat tinawid ko na lang.
Another error from Valdez.
Good serve by Carlos. Alyssa into the net.
Straight into the net.
Mahabol na naman ang UP dito. Kung kailan magkikita ulit sila nakatira na.
Kaya nga, malaking role ang piniplay ng setter doon because yung setter kaya rin niyang it fool the defense eh.
4 service errors now for Alyssa Valdez.
Nakatawa pa rin si Alyssa.
Sabi sa akin ni Mosi, wag ko na daw intindihin yung pag tumatawa yung mga babae. Wag ko na raw